Hello and welcome to this week's Trade of the Week on the 2nd of October 2023. In the middle of the month of September, we went short the DAX 40 futures contract. Actually, we went short the index, and we did so around 15,820. It was the perfect trade, really, because it starts to go down straight away. And since then, in about 2 weeks, we had a drop of about 600 points on the DAX 40 contract. So I gather that those who traded this short position probably got out of this trade now. I certainly would have done so, at least on the reversal here, when we had a reversal to the upside. So anyway, this trade probably made you several hundred points profit, on average perhaps 500 points or so. So that one's done, and it was a profitable trade. And last week we went short New York cotton. Now, what is interesting is that we had a high, if I go back on this chart to the high seen back in mid-November of last year at 9,002, and I wanted to go short last Monday here, and had a stop loss just above at 9,002, but on a daily chart closing basis. And what happened is that on Thursday, intraday, we went above our stop, but we didn't close on this daily candle above 9,002, so we wouldn't have got stopped out. And since then, the price of cotton has declined again. So we are still short cotton. We still have our stop loss in place on a daily chart closing basis at 9,002. And we still have our downside target here around the 8,000 mark. And for this week's trade of the week, what I would like to do is to actually go long on a minor retracement lower, the FANG futures contract. So these are the Facebook, Amazon, Apple, etc., Netflix stocks. And basically what we can see here is that this index, every time it goes down towards the sort of just below the 7,200 mark, it bounces off that area. It did so at the beginning of June, it did so again in August, and last week in September we went slightly below that previous low, but then we reversed to the upside after this doji formation. So I expect maybe we'll see a minor retracement lower, so maybe we can get in around the 7,300 mark or so, but with an upside target back above the 8,000 mark, and a small stop loss here in relation to the potential profit of just below 7,164. So this week's trade of the week is to go long the FANG index, and do so at around 7,300 with a stop loss at 7,160 and an upside target above the 8,000 mark.